Bro, what is this?
Come on, let's go.
Where are we going?
We're going to Atlanta, come on.
For what?
I'm gonna go trade this in for Lamborghini Urus. Bro, you asking too much questions. Just get in the car.
Come on, let's go. How do I open this door? Oh.
Bro, you never been in one of these before?
Nah, this is my first time, bro. Can't even fit, bro.
Is this enough cash, you think? I'm telling you.
All hundreds?
It's all hundreds.
What kind of Lambo are we getting?
Just stay tuned.
Let's get it. How long is the drive?
Just sit back, relax,
and
put your seatbelt on, and then enjoy the ride. 4-hour drive. Come on. Let's go. Honda Fit?
Hey, should we stop? Hey, tell him stop. After 3 hours, how do you feel in McLaren? Would you buy another one?
Not really. Hey, almost what? We still got half tank. What we got, like 42 minutes left? This thing is going wild.
Oh my God.
I think it's like 100 cops outside. Somebody probably called in and was like, hey, orange McLaren, get him. He's driving like crazy. I think 100 is cruising on the McLaren. Man, it's smooth on 100.
I didn't feel it the whole way.
Look. Here, this is 100 right here. It's smooth.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, it's smooth. It was flying. It's been a nice drive. I ain't really had a hard time in here. Been chilling. I'm kind of tired because it's so small, and I feel like I'm Igor in a little spaceship.
No, you just need to go to the gym and lose some weight. You'll fit in perfect. Look, okay, look at me. I got plenty of room.
But you know what you are. You know, I'm T-Pain. You know me. 7.1K subscribers. And we appreciate every single one of you guys.
We're going somewhere tomorrow too, so be ready.
Yep, we're going to pick up another car tomorrow for y'all. We're working, we're in the lab. Merch coming soon, y'all. We got the M4 and the Hellcat wide body. It's gonna be on a hoodie.
What's up, man?
Good.
Yeah, man. We caught a flat over there.
Really?
Yeah, on the right rear. The run flat. That's why we made it, because it's happened right around the corner. Cause I see it.
4 hours.
4 hours.
We're doing all the checks and inspections, making sure that we know what we are getting. I got some WeatherTech carpets.
It looks good inside here.
Yeah, I mean, it does look good.
No, it's clean title, clean Carfax. It's been painted up there.
It's been painted?
Yeah.
So we are here in Georgia at a place called Gravity. They had a nice piece of vehicles right here in the showcase room. We're checking it out, making sure that everything looks fine, because once it is final, it is final. It's around $160,000 to $180,000 car right here.
You want to hear a cold start?
How do you feel about it?
It's nice. Let's go take it on the road. Yeah, let's go. How much for the 4x4 square?
This one, a blue one?
Yeah.
Like, it's like 280.
Where's the interstate? It's empty.
Yeah, we ain't trying to run it low for the fuel.
You gotta put gas? I want a full tank though.
I ain't gonna fill it up too. Yeah, I'll let them fill it up.
I bet. They crying about filling up a whole Lamborghini and they're $160,000.
At least put a full tank of gas for us.
Drove 4 hours.
So the whole deal is we're gonna give them the McLaren. This one was 160, so they gave us 85,000 for the McLaren.
Okay.
So 160 minus 85,000 for the McLaren makes this one 75,000. So we're gonna give them 75,000 cash.
Okay.
And then we have a buyer in Nashville. We're gonna give them 75,000. He's gonna give us 85,000.
Got you. So y'all see that? $10,000 flip, driving
Bro, this
4
guy
hours.
for $25. Man, we told you to put full tank. What is $25 gonna do on a Lamborghini?
Bro,
Lamborghini.
I'm a salesperson.
You put 87 or 93?
Wow, that's you really driving.
No, for real. For real, what did you?
93, brother.
Man, because we didn't check.
He's buying this to turn to that dude Squeeze, basically.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Didn't they free him?
Yeah, free Squeeze. Tell him.
So Squeeze.
The dude that be going through the cars, BMWs doing stuff. He did Lambos
Yeah, but that was in regular mode. If I put it in Corsa mode, it's nicer.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Sounds better. Yeah, do you have the title for it?
Say that again?
You have the title for it?
Yeah, we got the title. I sent him a picture.
Oh, okay. I'm taking the title today, right?
I don't know. I gotta ask them. I don't know how that works. Cause make a left right here, bro. Look.
Oh, yeah.
But I don't know if they mail the title. I think they have to mail the title to me.
Man, then y'all don't got the title. It's not like we're giving you a check. We're giving you cash.
Yeah, but I know. But I think it's still.
Hey, that's that floor plan money right there. You got that floor plan money? I gotta get that fixed.
For real.
The numbers start going to it.
All right.
Time to talk about the numbers, boy.
Nope. I bought 75,000 cash. $400 bills. You got 120 in here. 10, 20, 30, 40.
They kept talking, so he just pulled out the money.
We come with title. We came with the title. They don't want to give us the title. Bro, how you gonna tell me 75 on the phone, and then you bring this paper to me, tell me I have to pay 80, and then he comes back with this bullshit. He's all right. I'm gonna do 76. Come on,
$1,000, 4 hours.
we making a deal on Halloween.
You proof that we got the title.
Come on, bro. We gotta go. We got 4 hours going back.
I know y'all got.
And I gotta put a full tank gas in there.
I just put 25 in there.
Man, what is 25 gonna do?
But look,
You act like it's a Honda Civic. Go ahead, get one.
showroom right now. He's pulling out. So y'all, we got the Lamborghini. Tell him.
Mama, well.
AJ, how do you feel about it? What was he trying to do, man? Why he trying to go back on the price?
Man, this guy is crazy, bro. Come back one more time. I was like, come back with 75,000, I'm gonna sign it. I'm not gonna sign it if it ain't 75,000. This motherfucker
So y'all, we're on the way back to Nashville, Tennessee. AJ, how do you like the Lambo?
Hey, I like it.
Are you gonna buy me one once we make it?
Maybe. I'll think about it.
3 hours and 17 minutes. We're on our way back. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Let's trade in the McLaren and get the Lamborghini. You got anything to say, AJ?
We'll find out in an hour. We'll see how it really drives.
All right.
Police reported ahead.
Stay tuned. Wish us luck.
Made it back safe. We got a new video for you tomorrow. Stay tuned.